How is everyone doing? Morning walk. It's a cool day, right? It's a cool day, right? Cool day, Sunday morning. What's that, a bird?
Yeah, that's big.
Yeah, that's a bird, right?
Yeah,
Sun is not hot, but it's not really cold though.
that's big.
You see a bird? Is it?
Yeah, and that's big.
Where's the bird? See a bird? Yeah, it's Sunday morning. Walking out, getting a bit of fresh air. The sun is not out, but it's still good.
I do bird.
You see a bird?
Huh?
Where is he?
Uh,
It's nice to be outside. You like to be outside? Morning. Thumbs up. Gail, Blake, Jeremy. Thanks for joining. Morning. You see a bird? You see a bird? Where do you see a bird? Yeah, bless up, Captain. What's up? What's good? Morning outside, yeah? Just taking a little stroll. Getting a breath of fresh air. On Sunday morning, the air feels more fresh because I think there's a less vehicle, so it's less carbon in the air, less carbon monoxide in the air and everything. Less everything, less pollution, less everything. So Sunday is more peaceful. So if it's Sunday morning where you are, Sunday evening, get up, get outside and get some fresh air. The best day to do it is today, on a Sunday. Everywhere is less polluted. Because a lot of parties over the weekend, so everyone's resting now. A lot of places are closed. The air is fresh. It's getting to spring now, so that makes it even more better. So the sky looks like. It's overcast. This morning the sun was out. I thought like, whoa, it's gonna be a nice day out, but I guess when nature is working, you can't say anything to that. You can't do anything about it. Just gotta roll with the flow. Well, it's all good. You have life. It's a blessing to see a new day. But it's always nice to get out and get that fresh morning air. Because after it reaches like what, maybe 11:30 or so, the air outside doesn't feel the same anymore. All of that freshness is all gone. Unless you're on the mountainside, you know, it's less people on the mountain. The air stays fresh on the mountain. See, man, I can smell it from the fumes from the cars already. Polluting the air so early. What to do? Yeah, I had a flu over the weeks, so my voice is just coming back. Been a while. I've been hoarse all week, so it's getting there though. Can't even make a video or anything because my voice was gone the entire week, so I could barely speak. But I'm grateful. Stoplight. See, Sunday morning, enjoying the fresh air outside. If you come into my live, please double tap the screen, give me a like. Hi, Paris. Thanks for joining. How are you doing? Just outside getting a bit of fresh air. Taking out the stroll. Me and my soldier. Yeah, you're my soldier, right? Yeah, you're my soldier. Thanks. Ugh. Oh, yeah, that feels good. I've been coughing all week. Today's the best day. I can finally speak properly. The entire week I could barely speak 5 words without coughing. Man, I'm thankful for that. My voice is not 100 though, but it's better than before. So I decided that let me just go live today since I haven't made any videos all week. I just made a couple of shorts, but my voice was terrible. I didn't want to rip my vocals, so to strain myself talking. So what to do? The body is just like, I'm not doing anything this week. I'm on lockdown mood. But it's Sunday. Oh, there's a little sun peeping out right there. But the cloud is gonna cover it. I will definitely love some sunshine right now. But I guess it is what it is. Hi Nia, official, thanks for joining my live. What are you doing? Happy Sunday. Hope you're having a nice morning or evening wherever you are. Stay blessed, yeah? I'm just walking out, getting a breath of fresh air and trying to exercise, or should I say practice speaking, because my voice has been gone all week. I've been hoarse, I had a flu, so I've been coughing and all of that for the entire week. So today I feel like I can speak. Well, I can say when I speak, I think someone can understand me or hear what I'm saying. I'm not like, the entire week I was talking all the way down. Okay. So we are outside. How is the weather like where you guys are? Just gonna keep this live short. It's gonna be like about 10 minutes. I'm not gonna pressure my tonsil. Still a bit hoarse, a little bit sore. But you know, that's just the body. Sometimes it needs to rest, needs to heal. But man, I'm glad I can speak now, because the other day my voice was completely gone. I could barely speak. Hey brother, how are you? Alexander. Panic. I'm good, how are you? Bless up. Happy Sunday. I'm good. Oh, hi show man. She's home. I'm on the road getting some fresh air. I've been sick all week with the flu. My voice was gone, but now it's coming back, so thank you. I'm just walking out, doing a live, and practice speaking. I'm still a bit hoarse though, but it's getting better. I'm taking some cough syrup and some cough drops and stuff. And a lot of hot water and ginger tea and lemon water. Man, I tried everything to get my voice back. Huh? What do you want? You hungry? You're joking. You just had breakfast. Impossible. Are you? You're really hungry? Are you sure? Okay. Oh, yeah. It's a beautiful day. I'm being thankful. Man, the sun is not coming out. Look at that. It's fighting for life, but it's not coming out. The clouds wouldn't give the sun a chance to shine. Everywhere looks gloomy, but everyone is about their business though, doing their thing. People are in the park playing. Everyone's walking out. Yes, I am your favorite noodle. Yes, I am. Oh, there's a little bit of sun right there. Oh no, I can't speak Arabic. Oh, is it? Where you at about? Your favorite noodle. Where are you located? Can you please give my live stream a double tap? Please give me a like, guys. Oh, is it? Nova. Yeah, I'm in Nova as well. Alright, thank you for subscribing. Welcome to my channel. Just walking out, doing this short live. I couldn't speak all week because my throat was sore. I had a flu, so everything was going south. But now I think my voice is coming back, so I'm just practicing to speak. I'm still a little bit hoarse, but it's better. I'm giving thanks, yeah? A little bit of sunshine. The sun is coming out a little bit. See? A little bit, not much. But oh well, what to do? There's nothing I can do about it. You don't know what to speak to? Oh yeah. It's not like I don't know what to speak. It's I was sick. I had the flu, so I was hoarse, so my voice was gone. Like I could barely utter a sound, but it's coming back. It's the best of all week. Normally I'd post like a video or so, but even if I recorded a video, I couldn't speak, so it would be like mute. Ooh, doo, doo, doo. So I was like, man, today I feel good, so just making a live. Yeah, but it's a short live though because I'm not pressuring my time since too much. So, anyways, thank you guys for joining my live. Hopefully, I can make a video soon. Just gonna get some cough syrup in this place right here as well. You wanna sit inside? Come, let me get you inside. Okay, hold me. You hold me. There you go. Put your feet in. You got your feet in? Close this thing down. Oh, where am I? Duolingo. I'm just going by a store to get some cough syrup and stuff. Give me a moment. Oh, coffee break. Alright. Coffee, no, not coffee break. Just gonna get some few items and some cough syrup. It's anyways, thank you guys for joining my live. I'm gonna end the live now because I don't want to pressure my voice too much and hurt my tonsil or something. So thank you very much. What's up, bro? Need that syrup? Yeah, I do. I need it. That's what I'm gonna get right now. And the kid. Yeah, I'm gonna get it because that's one thing you don't want to do. You don't want to hurt your thyroid, your thyroid or anything like those. Yeah. So I'm not allowed with coffee. Oh, you're not allowed with coffee. I love coffee. But you know when you have a sore throat, you can't really drink coffee because it's not good for that. So I had to avoid coffee these days, but I love my coffee. Coffee starts the morning for me. Okay, give me a moment, okay? Yeah. So let's see. Thank you guys for joining me. Yeah, bless up, Misha. Thank you very much for joining my live. I have a hoarse, sore throat, so I can't really speak for long. My voice was messed up all week, so it's just coming back now. So I don't want to pressure it too much. So I'm gonna end the live now, guys. Thank you very much for joining. Thank you very much for joining. Oh, thank you very much, Rehan. So until next time, guys, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet subscribed. Hit that like button, and you can also check out a lot of more videos on my channel. Until next time, peace out. Bless.